Hello, my name is Chris, and welcome to this tutorial today brought to you by Profile Tree. Before we begin, I would like to thank Wix for sponsoring this video. This tutorial will aim to guide you through the steps to create your very own online store using the Wix platform. To get started right away, click the link in the description box below to create your online store. Okay, let's get started. When you arrive at wix.com, the first thing is to create an account. Click Sign in the top right hand corner. When you arrive at the sign up page, you're going to want to type in your email twice, create yourself a password, and then click sign up. When you've completed the sign up process, you should arrive at your Wix account dashboard. To create a new website, just click create new site. You can choose from a wide range of fully customizable online store templates and then customize the design using the Wix Editor. Users can also choose from over 500 fully customizable Wix templates and then add the Wix Stores app to have the ability to sell online. So this would be great if you already had a website and you're looking to add a store into your website. You can also filter your search by selecting the tabs at the top of the page. I've selected food and drinks, and we're looking for a chocolate website based template. So I think this one in the middle we can view, and probably going to go with this one. Let's have a look at it. Nice parallax scroller on that as well. Okay, so we're going to select this template. Before we jump into the Wix Editor to customize our selected online store template, we need to create an e-commerce brand. And if your business already has a name, you're off to a great start. You can create your logo with the free Wix Logo Maker. So let's start that now. Okay, here we are. So start designing your logo, add the name of your business or organization. And today we're creating a chocolate website for a chocolatier. So let's go with Chocoholics. And a tagline, we're going to go fixation for flavor. What's your logo for? Again, it's for a chocolatier. And I really like that predictive drop-down menu. It's really handy as well. How should your logo look and feel? Dynamic, creative, and fresh. Which of these logos do you like better? Okay. Where do you want to use your logo? We want to use it on the website, possibly social media, and merchandise. Choose a logo to customize. Okay, incredible. So here we have lots of different options for our logo. Wix has generated a wide range of logos that we could use. We're going to choose this icon here, which is just simple text, but very neat and professional. And we can have a look to see what it's going to look like on a website, on social media, business cards, and merchandise as well. So incredible. So let's hit next, saving the changes. Your logo files are free, and let's just get that now. So when you get a free logo, you can also have the option down here to add a website plan, create business cards, and find a domain for that brand, which is incredible. But for now, we're just going to download the logo files. And let's jump back to the website. Here we are in the Wix Editor, and you can see yourself, it's a very clean template, very simple, elegant, and I think it's a great fit for the brand that we're building in this video today. So apart from changing the images, text, and fixing the navigation at the top of the page, I think this is a really good template for our online store. And I don't want to focus too much on the design today anyways, because I think there's more important things to think about when you're building an online store, and I want to take a look at the technical functionality that Wix offers us when building our online store for e-commerce. So things such as adding products, choosing a shipping solution, setting up sales tax, connecting to a secure payment provider, and so on. But to give you a brief overview of the editor, it's very user friendly and it's very fun to use. So if you were to click on an element on the editor, so if that's the page background, a button, maybe it's some text down the page, you'll be prompted with a little toolbar filled with actions above the element. One of those actions may be customize, and when you click on customize, you'll be prompted again with another toolbar that will allow you to fully manipulate that element. So if it's text, you'll be able to change the font, the color of the text. If it's an image, you'll be able to crop it. And I actually use the Wix Photo Studio to make our images in this website fit better with the template. So complementary to the color schemes and so on. But this is the final version of the template that we're going to use. So next up, we're going to take a look at the online store. We're now on the shop page, and if you're not sure how to get here, just use the page menu drop down on the top left of the screen within the editor, and this will show you your basic site navigation. So we have our site pages, our store pages, and also our member pages. But we're just going to go onto the shop for now, and this is our product page. This is where we can see what products are for sale. So to manage this, just click on the element itself. So when you hover over your products, you'll see shop pop up right here. And if we click on that element, we have manage products or settings. If we click on settings, this will allow us to change the layout and the look of our store. So we have a few different customization options within this menu, and it's worth taking a look at as well. Lots of customization actually. And then we also have the manage products, and this will bring us into a dashboard where we can see what products are on our site. So we have a total of 12, and it will just list them for us, as we can see here. To add a new product, we just use the add new product button on the top right of the page. And then we can upload a digital file or a physical file. We're going to go with physical. And this is where we can add our product in. So if we type in, let's see here, truffle. If we add a white truffle, we can upload an image. So just select from the images that we uploaded earlier, add this to the page. And again, if you want to edit this image, you can just click on crop and edit, and this will open up the photo studio that will allow you to edit your images. So there's lots of customization options within this. And when you're finished, just click save in the top right. So moving on down the page, we have the product information. So this will allow us to set the price of the product. We can add in a description there as well. And we can also decide whether the product's on sale or not, show the price per unit. So if it was like 100 grams of sweets or something like that, we could show the price per unit. And we can add in additional sections here as well that might contain useful information like return policies or instructions for the customers. We have product options, so if we add different sizes or colors or flavors or material, then we would add that in right here. And then we come to inventory and shipping. So this will allow us to actually track our inventory. If we turn this toggle on and we set that to 10, every time a customer buys one, that will reduce to 9, 8, 7, and so on. But we can also have the status as in stock or out of stock. But you've seen this before. If you go to make a purchase online and it says maybe like there are 3 left in stock, that's where this would come in handy. But for now, we're just going to continue with in stock. And this SKU means stock keeping unit, which is a unique code that you can create for each product or variant that you have in store, and it just helps with tracking your inventory. And then we can also set the shipping weight of the product. With regards to shipping, we can actually go further and set the regions that we can ship to, specify how the rates are calculated. So we can set rates based on weight, products, order total, and more. And we can also offer a flat rate. We can have free shipping or curbside pickup as well. And then last, we have subscriptions at the bottom, and this would be useful for customers that want to make a purchase on a recurring basis. So you could create a subscription plan for that case. And then when we're ready, just click save at the bottom. So there we have added the new product to the store, and if we back out and take a look on the main page, we should see that it has updated automatically, and we now have the white truffle on the store page. If we take a look at the My Store tab and click Get Started, This will allow us to manage our store. So it's the store manager where we can run the store, manage the products, collections, orders, shipping, and lots more. And we're going to take a look at adding a secure payment provider. So if we click on Add Payment Methods down in Quick Actions, this will allow us to start accepting secure payments online by connecting to a payment provider within the region. So you can get integrated payment management and competitive payment processing rates with the Wix payments, and that's what we're choosing here now. And then we just have to click that we're not selling any of these prohibited products or services and click OK. Now that we have our Wix payments in place, it's time to upgrade our site. So this will allow us to choose a Wix business and e-commerce plan. So in order to accept online payments, we need to have a Wix business and e-commerce premium plan. So here we can choose a premium plan that works for us. After choosing a premium plan, it's time to finish off the Wix payment setup. So let's go through this list, fill out all the details, and then we can, at the very bottom, accept our terms and conditions and click OK. Setting up sales tax is super easy. Get automated sales tax calculation for your products by adding your business location and letting the Avalara tax tool handle the rest. A custom domain is included in every annual Wix business and e-commerce premium plan. So we can get a domain name that matches our retail brand. Connecting one that you already own is also an option. Online stores with custom domains look more professional, credible, and will sell more. It's always good to make your site mobile friendly as well, as the majority of shoppers browse and buy from their mobile phones. So make sure that it's easy for them to find what they want on the mobile version of your store. There's lots of optimization and customization tools within the mobile editor. Once you have completed the steps, it's time to launch your store and start selling online. Just click Publish in the top right corner. If you have an online store with Wix, it's a good tip to download the Wix mobile app. Manage your online store on the go from any device with the Wix mobile app. Add products, view orders, track shipping, manage your inventory, and then you can also interact with your customers as well as offer coupons and much more. If you found this tutorial helpful and you want to just get straight into it, click the link in the description box below to create your own website with Wix.